The difference between the maximum real root and minimum real root of the equation, x square minus 5 whole power 4 plus x square minus 7 whole power 4 is equal to 16 is equal to, what is that equal to? Very nice question, beautiful question. X square minus 6 is equal to k. Hypothetically, so this is k plus 1 whole power 4 plus k minus 1 whole power 4 is equal to 16. So k plus 1 whole power 4 plus k minus 1 whole power 4 is equal to 16. Very nice. So these two numbers are separated by 2. Both will be greater than or equal to 0. And so if this were 0, this will be 16, 2 power 4. This were 0, this will be 16. And so think about two numbers separated by 4 units. K plus 1 and k minus 1 can both be positive, can both be negative. Right? But I know that only my modulus matters, not my my actual value doesn't matter. What is my magnitude that matters? So I pause and think about it. Sometimes I like to, the numbers are very friendly. I have a shot at it. If this were 2, this will be 0. Or this is 0, this is minus 2. Minus 2 power 4 is 16, 2 power 4 is 16. So k equal to 1 works, k equal to minus 1 works. X square equal to 5 will work, x square equal to 7 will work. Brilliant. Both will work. And so if x square equal to 5 works, then x could be plus or minus root 5. 7 will work, x could be plus or minus root 7. All 4 of them work. I've got 4 values of x already just by scanning this. I can do this more algebraically, more rigorously, but right now I know that these 4 roots work. I want to find the maximum real root and the minimum real root of the equation. I want to find the difference between those two. Plus root 7 minus root 7 will be the best case scenario for maximum and minimum. In that case, the difference between these two is 2 root 7. I know 2 root 7 is more than this, and more than this. I'll confidently mark 2 root 7 and go home happy. And 2 root 7 works. I don't have to worry about another possibility working. And the more rigorous way of doing it, k plus 1 whole power 4 plus k minus 1 whole power 4, look and solve it, find the expansion, cancel it. We have 4 the cubic roots for k, and then we understand that k equal to minus 1 and plus 1 work. Remove those, solve for the remaining nightmare. I don't want to do all that. I know that 2 power 4 is 16, minus 2 whole power 4 is 16. These work. I simplify, solve, and home and try. Sometimes keeping your wits with you, knowing how to take the right guesses, are more important than most of the things.